Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make this lovely milky ChinChin. Yes, this is the best recipe ever for your ChinChin, so you can use it for commercial purpose, for your family, and I promise you will come back to thank me later. Let's jump into the video. Here are all the ingredients you need. You need your flour, sugar, eggs, a cornstarch, you need cinnamon, you need vanilla flavor, baking powder, salt, butter, and evaporated milk. Please, if you don't have cinnamon, please use baking powder for me. I'm using 2 cups of milk. Please, if you want exactly the best ChinChin, please use exactly my recipe. If you want a smaller quantity, just do a division, divide every recipe, and you will get exactly what you wanted. Add all the dry ingredients for me, mix it thoroughly, very well, and you add the butter. Yes, you can also use margarine, the best. Please, if you're buying, please buy a good one, because taste quality is good, because it affects the taste of your product. Now you start rubbing in this butter for me. This is rubbing method. Take your time to rub in the butter till you get a very beautiful breadcrumb texture. That's exactly what you need to achieve before you stop and start adding your eggs. Yes, please, like I said before, if you don't have cinnamon, you can't get it, go for your nutmeg. It can cover up with cinnamon. So right away I start adding I added all the eggs, added the vanilla flavor. Please choose any flavor you want. If you don't want vanilla, you can go to the one you want. All you need to achieve here is to make sure that this dough is not sticky, it's just firm and okay. So right away I need to mix and get the new. You have to mix it very well. This is not meat pie where you would say, let me just do it little. No. Take your time and mix this thing and give me a good dough. A very strong and firm dough, not strong, but at least soft and firm. That firmness is very important, because I don't want our dough to start sticking. No. I'm okay with this. I only need to incorporate all the things and make sure all the white particles are no more visible, and I will set it on my table, work surface, and I will begin to knit. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of coming to my channel, you're welcome to Mrs. Progress. Oh, sorry, love. That's my Mrs. Progress Innocence channel, is my lifestyle channel. You're welcome to Progressive Recipe, known as Progressive Cakes and Nourishment before. So you're welcome. Please don't just watch this video and go away. Please subscribe to my channel, open up a notification bell. Anytime I drop new video, you will get an alert. And if you want to know me in one-on-one, my lifestyle channel is there for you, Mrs. Progress Innocent channel. That's my lifestyle channel. I talk about my life in the UK, things happening around me. Feel free to subscribe to my lifestyle channel. So right away you start kneading little at a time as you can, and you start cutting. Please make sure you're buying good oil. Vegetable oil also contribute to the taste of your ChinChin. Very important. Make sure you have a good vegetable oil. Don't just go and buy anything and you expect it to be sweet and you expect the taste to be excellent. So if you want the best, always go for quality. So right away I start cutting my ChinChin. See, you can cut any shape, you can cut any style. It doesn't really matter. What matters is make sure you are working with the correct recipe, correct ingredients. Make sure you measure correctly, make sure you mix the right way, and I promise you your ChinChin will come out delicious, lovely, and nice. Look at a little twist here. I don't mind separating the ChinChin. I don't mind packing them together here. Somebody will say, you're supposed to separate them, make sure they are not sticking to each other. So far you have this recipe, you're good to go. I promise you, when you put it in the fire, they will separate on its own. Yes, I said it. Just pack it anyhow you can pack it. Put it inside the oil. I promise you the oil will separate this recipe. They will separate the ChinChin, because you're working with the best recipe ever. You're working with correct recipe here. So people will struggle spreading out the ChinChin, making sure it's not touching each other, making sure you're sprinkling flour in each of the no. You don't need all that. All you need to do is make sure you're working with the correct ingredients, correct measurement, and I promise you everything gonna be fine. Watch out as everything is going to separate inside the vegetable oil. Don't forget to go for the hair good quality. See how I'm packing it? I don't mind it sticking together. The main thing, I cut it very well. Yeah, so it can hold each other, no problem. When it enters the oil, it will separate. You can see that right away. We'll start frying because we don't want to be wasting your time and my own time. Please, have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to my channel? Feel free to be a part of this lovely channel. Only subscribe and share to your friends and family that loves good things. Right away, you will notice as I'm adding the ChinChin is separating on it. So look at that magic. That is the magic that comes when you're using the good quality things here. Not only good quality, you measured correctly, you're using the right recipe, and you're doing it the right way. Exactly. So if you want to use my recipe, please make sure you measure correctly, make sure you do the right thing, and also choose the best butter, choose the best quality ingredients. It affects the taste of your product. So, and also make sure that you're using the best oil. Oil is also important. So I will keep doing this till I get all the ChinChin dry and beautiful. Look at the, isn't this beautiful? Somebody tell me, isn't this beautiful? Please don't forget to like this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my video. So right away I will continue, and again you will notice that this is not giving you hard time to cut. This is very easy to cut, especially like I said before, when you use the right recipe. See, one thing I do is I store ChinChin from a long time, so I make sure that I fry very dry. If you don't want it very dry, you can make yours soft depending on the quantity you're making, depending on who is eating. Are you exporting it? Are you marketing it? But if you want to go into commercial ChinChin, please, marketing your ChinChin, please make sure you fry it dry so that it will not be spoiling, or it will not so that the lifespan can last for a long time. Is very, very important. But if you want to fry for family, for kids, you can also fry it a bit soft so that they can easily enjoy it at home. But if you feel like storing, please make sure it's dry, and I promise you, you do not come back and say, hey, after frying my ChinChin, it was very soft after some days. Now, my dear, please fry your own very, very dry. So right away, I will keep frying till I get everything salted. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed? Is this your first time of watching my video? Thank you for coming, and don't forget to check out my other videos. I have a lot for you on this channel, more than 600 videos, and I know well-detailed video I know you will enjoy. Please feel free to explore this channel, and also feel free to find me in my lifestyle channel, Mrs. Progress in Innocent China. Don't forget to look out for me, watch my other video. Feel free to ask questions, and if you want me to get back to you immediately, if you have any question, please come to my lifestyle channel. It's more active because here I get a lot of messages on this particular channel, and answering all the questions is a bit hard for me. But my lifestyle channel, the engagement is not much, so I can easily see your message and I will respond immediately. I'm happy. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.